Yo guys, and in this video I'll show you how to change app's logo. So first you want to go to Chrome, and for this video I'm gonna be using Roblox. So for example, I just type in Roblox icon, and you want to make sure that it is transparent. So you just want to type Roblox icon images. You want to go to tools, color, and transparent, and here for example, I like this one, okay? And then I'm just gonna right click, save image as, and I'm gonna blur this part, but just click save. Okay, now you want to just search up ISO converter, and you should see this one. So you just click choose file. I'm gonna blur this part again, and you just want to open, like select the file. Mine is Roblox 2022 icon, and you just want to click convert, and it's gonna download you a favicon.ico. Maybe it's different for you, I don't really know, but that's for me. So now what you want to do is go on Roblox for an example, or any app, just accept the folders. I think it works for folders too. So you want to just select that by clicking it. You want to right click, click properties, and right here you got a window that looks like this. You want to click change icon, browse, and you want to select the favicon that you downloaded. You want to open it, and it should pop up here. You want to click OK, apply, and OK. And as you can see right now, the Roblox player has a custom logo. So now if I try to type Roblox, it still shows like this because this is a shortcut. This is not like the real Roblox. But yeah, that's how you change an icon for an app. I'll probably do more tutorials like this one. And yeah, see you on the next one. Peace. She's overboard and self-assured.